Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities morning podcast. In today's podcast, we would be discussing what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on, along with the key levels for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on the key sectors and stocks that we should be focusing for the day and the next few sessions. In trade yesterday, if we see post the flat opening for the markets, frontline indices witnessed intensive selling pressure, that is till late afternoon. Post which we witnessed a sharp recovery, especially in Nifty, with Nifty closing closer towards the high point of the day. Nifty outperformed Bank Nifty yet again, ending 0.14% higher, while Bank Nifty lost 0.55% for the day. Coming to the macro factors, the US dollar index continues to remain weak and settled closer towards levels of 103.7 levels, and even the US 10-year bond yields has weakened further to 4.4%. These developments are positive for risk on asset classes, especially the equity markets, both global and the Indian markets. Currently, Brent crude oil prices at levels of $80-81 per barrel. Brent crude is comfortably trading in a range between 77 and 83 from the past few sessions. However, it is important to closely monitor crude oil prices as it has vast implications for our markets especially. Levels of 83-84 will be crucial, crossing which it can move towards levels of $87-89 per barrel. Below $77, Brent crude can extend its recent corrective move up to $73-72 per barrel. A quick check on the global markets. The S&P 500 is in a strong uptrend, which has seen in the last few sessions, and we believe that post some consolidation it can move towards levels of 4,620, 4,650 on the upside. Coming to the index levels, because of all the factors that we have discussed, that is weak dollar index as well as the US 10-year bond yields, Brent crude trading in a range, along with the strong global markets, we are witnessing an overall improvement in the broader market structure, and all dips are being bought into. Index yesterday experienced a sharp recovery from the levels of 19,700, managing to close above 19,800 levels for the first time after 17th October 2023. With this, the index is very close to its resistance level of 19,850, 19,900 zone. This zone of 19,850, 19,900 is significant as it's the gap zone that Nifty created in the third week of September. Moreover, it acted as a strong resistance twice in the month of October, which is why surpassing this zone is essential for the index. Any move above the levels of 19,900, index can continue its rebound rally up to the levels of 20,050, 20,100 on the upside. While on the downside, the key support is placed at the levels of 19,735, 19,750 zone. While positionally, if we see for Nifty, the support is placed at 19,600. Coming to the OI data, significant call writing is witnessed in the 19,900 strikes, while on the put front 19,800 and 19,700 witnessed considerable open interest addition. Overall range for the day could be 19,735, 19,750 on the downside, while 19,870, 19,900 on the upside. Coming to Bank Nifty underperformed Nifty and overall broader markets for the third day in a row. The immediate support for Bank Nifty is likely to be the zone of 43,250, 43,230, where the 200 DMA is placed. Yesterday, two indices witnessed a rebound from the same area. Resistance would be witnessed around the 20-day EMA zone of 43,700, 43,750. Only if Bank Nifty moves above 43,780, it could witness short covering up to 44,000, 44,050. For the monthly expiry, significant open interest buildup was witnessed in 43,500 puts, and on the call side it is seen in 43,500, 44,000 calls, implying a near-term range of 43,230 on the downside and 43,780 on the upside for Bank Index. Key sectors and stocks in momentum from the large cap space: Reliance, TCS, Infosys, Bajaj Auto, Ultratech, Titan, Hero MotoCorp, Grasim showed signs of strong momentum on the upside. While for the broader markets, bullish setup is observed in BPCL, Cipla, NTPC, Power Grid, Apollo Hospital, JS Energy, Oro Pharma, Bharat Forge, FDC, and Minda Industries. Coming to the FI DI data, in the cash segment, FI is sold to the tune of 300 crores while DI is bought to the tune of 720 crores. Coming to the FI long short ratio for index futures, there has been a slight improvement towards the levels of 22.7 as FI has squared nearly 3,300 index futures short contracts. On the stock futures front, FI is sold to the tune of 15,400 contracts, while on the options front, FI has bought over 10,000 contracts of call options and put options respectively. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast and wishing you all an energetic day ahead. Do tune in tomorrow for more market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.